Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today what we're going to be installing is a phone mount that a lot of us have been waiting for. I know Rennline put it out probably about 4 or 5 months ago. I went ahead and finally ordered it, and it came in. So without further ado, let's get this put together. So the phone mount that they have now, it rides right in here on this portion. So I've already kind of pre-popped out this faceplate, but what you're gonna have to do is get underneath it and then pry outwards. There is some clips in the back. If this is the first time you're pulling this out, it's probably going to be a little bit tough, but don't worry, it's going to come out. You might lose a clip in the back. For that, you can use a magnet to go ahead and search for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this off, and then we're going to undo these two connectors. From here, we are going to be removing these two screws with a T15. We're going to pull back on this faceplate just to slightly pop it off. And from there, we're going to slide in our phone mount. Now we're just going to reinstall the T15s. Next, we're going to reinstall our vents. Square plug goes here, and then the rectangular one goes here. Line everything up. Push it in. Now that we have everything tidied up, the mount ball is protruding a little bit, and the mount itself, when you order it from Rennline, comes with this circle magnet. So let's install it. And it comes with a square plate and a circle plate. I've put the square plate in the back of my case, and as you can see, it sticks. But I went ahead and ordered a Magsafe Cradle to actually add on to this, because I do use my Magsafe charger while I'm in the car. So for that, we'll go ahead and install that one. And here you go. I'll be tidying this up later on and running it underneath the dashboard and into the USB port that is where the wireless charger is located. But that does it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down on the in the comments. And if you guys want more content, go ahead, like and subscribe. Thank you.